Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast.
Hi, I'm David.
And I'm Tom. Today's lesson is very useful. Yes, we're talking about ordering food at a restaurant. This is real English. You can use it today. At a cafe, at a restaurant, anywhere. We'll use easy words, short sentences, and lots of practice. Before we start, quick reminder. If you like learning English with us, please like and subscribe. It helps us a lot. Okay, relax. Get ready. Let's start. Part 1. Entering a restaurant. Imagine you enter a restaurant. A waiter comes to you. The waiter says, "Hello, welcome." You can reply, "Hello," or "Hi." Very simple. Then the waiter asks, "Table for one? Table for two?" Repeat after us. "Table for two, please." Again. Good job. Nice job. Part 2. Getting the menu. Great pronunciation. Part 5. Ordering drinks. Now drinks. Very easy. Examples. I'd like water. You please. Can I have some time? I'd like a burger. I'd like water. Can I have the bill, please? Now say one sentence you remember. Excellent. Okay, let's continue. Now imagine this. You already ordered food, but you want to add something or change your order. This happens in real life. Very often. Listen to this sentence. Can I add one more item? Repeat after us. Good job. Another useful sentence. Can I change my order? Repeat. Nice. Short dialogue. Is everything okay? Yes, but can I change my order? Sure. Very polite, very natural. Listeners, now you try. Say one sentence. Great speaking. Section 11. Asking about price. Sometimes you want to know the price. That's normal. You can ask, how much is this? Repeat. Good. Or you can say, how much does it cost? Repeat. Nice pronunciation. Short conversation. How much is this pasta? It's $10. Simple English. Very useful. Section 12. Problems with food. Now let's talk about problems. Sometimes food is not okay. Maybe it's cold. Maybe it's spicy. You can say, this food is cold. Repeat. Good. Another sentence. This is too spicy. Repeat. Nice. You can also say, sorry, this is not what I ordered. Very important sentence. Repeat slowly. Excellent. Section 13. Asking for help politely. Politeness is very important. Always be polite. Use this word. Excuse me. Repeat. Good. Example sentence. Excuse me, can you help me? Repeat. Nice. Short dialogue. Excuse me. Yes? Can you help me, please? Of course. Very natural English. Section 15. Paying the bill. Now you want to pay. You can say, can I pay by card? Repeat. Good. Or, can I pay by cash? Repeat. Nice. Short conversation. Can I pay by card? Yes, that's fine. Easy English. Section 16. Saying goodbye at the restaurant. Now you are leaving. Say something polite. You can say, thank you. Or, the food was very good. Repeat one sentence. Great. The waiter may say, have a nice day. You reply, you too. Perfect. Section 17. Full conversation. Listen only. Now listen carefully. Hello. Table for two, please. Can I have some time? I'd like a pizza. Can I add a drink? This is too spicy. Can I have the bill, please? Can I pay by card? Thank you. Now listen again. Hello. Table for two, please. Can I have some time? I'd like a pizza. Can I add a drink? This is too spicy. Can I have the bill, please? Can I pay by card? Thank you. Now say one sentence you remember. Excellent. Section 18. Speaking practice. Your turn. Now your turn. Answer these questions. What would you like to eat? Good. What would you like to drink? Nice. How do you ask for the bill? Great job. Section 19. Confidence boost. You're doing really well. Yes, you're speaking real English. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are okay. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Practice every day.
You did amazing today. Yes, very proud of you. Let's recap quickly. Today you learned, table for two, please. Can I have some time? I'd like a burger. Can I have water? Can I have the bill, please? This is real restaurant English. Practice it again and again. Speak slowly. Be confident. Now our question for you. Tell us in the comments, what food do you like to order at a restaurant? One simple sentence is perfect. We read your comments. Keep practicing. Before we finish, one friendly question. What food do you usually order at a restaurant? One simple sentence is enough. Write it in the comments. Keep practicing. See you next time. Bye-bye.